have a lot of peppers in our bags this week, so I wanted to show you guys how you could use them up. You literally just burn them. You just put them in the fire. Just right in there. Just put them on there. You can put them on the top. You can get a grate if you don't feel comfortable doing this to put on top of the fire, but yeah, just throw them in there. You can do this on a grill. You can do this in a pan, but you just want to, just keep turning them until they look like this, where they're nice and charred. I want them to get all nice, and then you're gonna put them into either a sealed bag or in a bowl with a lid or a cover on top. Just let them steam for a little bit. That's gonna soften the skin up a little bit so you can peel it off. Then you just want to take them out. You see how easy it is, just peel that char off, and this is just getting rid of the skin, but you still want to keep that smoky flavor. So what I do is I get a little pot of water to just rinse off my hands as I'm going, and that way you can just get all the skin off of them without having to get your hands all dirty. It's not like peeling hard-boiled eggs. You just kind of get the skin off and dip your hand to get the skin off your hands. Look at that, it's beautiful. It's nice and soft. Yeah, you want to get every little bit of it, and then you end up with a perfectly peeled and skinned pepper. It's beautiful. And you can really do anything with these. I'm going to show you a couple of things that you can do. For this one, I'm just going to cut the top off and pull the seeds out. And this will leave you with a nice kind of hollow pepper that you could stuff with something and then bake it. You could stuff it and then cook it in a sauce. Really, the possibilities are endless. This next one, I'm going to try my best to split down the middle and pull the seeds out. The seeds were a little stuck, so I ended up having to flatten this one out. But yeah, this is how you would make chili rellenos. These are poblano peppers. So you would just pull this out and stuff, your cheese or your beef or whatever in there, and then batter it and fry it. This one came apart, so I had to flatten it out, but that's fine. We roll with our mistakes. It's all good. But yeah, you can see here, I'm just going to cut this into strips. And these are perfect for fajitas, for soups, for topping, really anything. Anything where a nice mild smoked pepper flavor would be good. And here's the finished product. You can freeze these or use them immediately. Go forth and use all your peppers.